Okay, next is ANOVA table. So for ANOVA, we focus to the frequency, no, the F, which is 0.682, and my significant is 0.832. So this ANOVA table shows that a significant value of 0.832, which is much higher than the standard threshold of 0.05. So overall in this ANOVA, the model is not statistically significant. This means that as a group, my independent variables do not reliably predict the dependent variable. So I think it means that there must be something wrong somewhere, because from the previous temptation, I did a lot, and I think most of them are already good, and it shows a good sign of reliable data. However, when it comes to regression, because I did maybe some mistakes that I don't know where is the root. I already corrected as much as I can. You see, if I scroll up and scroll up, I attempt so many times, but I don't know where is the mistake, and I think it's quite confused to figure out the mistake. So my variables and my model summary and also ANOVA, it affects them badly. So something wrong with the the output of the analysis of my variable. And then we go to the coefficient. Here is the coefficient. So for the coefficient, looking at the coefficient table, I can examine that my significant column for each variables, this one, none of the predictors are significant. So every single variable are greater than 0.05. And the highest significant is closest to the variables comes to significant is the variable of IB5, this one. But even this remains statistically insignificant. So yeah, the conclusion is that the regression analysis indicates that this model is poorly fitted and not really reliable. It's not really support from my previous output, because all of my previous output actually turned out very good. It just, when it comes to the regression, I think, I don't know if I skipped any of the small actions or details. So that's why it turns out that my coefficient mostly are negative. Yeah.